see in this question what we need to do. We have to do it by source transformation. So first step is conversion of voltage source into the current source, right? So it would be, you got it as 5 ampere and the resistance is 2 ohm. Okay, now you have to see the above side. As you can see that in the above side or the below side there is no resistance, so potential between these 3 points is same. So we can simply solve it. 5 ampere and 2 ampere are moving in the opposite direction, so that would be 3 ampere. So remove this and that would be equivalent to 3 ampere. So the direction would be on the upward side, so that is 3 ampere. Now you can see that this current source isn't connected in parallel, right? So it would be we can convert it into the voltage source further. Okay, you have to do redraw this diagram every time. So that would be, resistance is 2 ohm and the voltage is how much? 3 to just 6, so that would be 6 volt. Okay, now that circuit diagram is like this. Now you know that this 6 volt and 3 volt are connected in series, right? Because negative is connected with the positive. So if negative is connected with the positive, then in that case the battery is connected in series, so that would be added. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is how much? 9 volt. So as you can see, this 2 ohm and 2 ohm was also connected in series, so that would be 4 ohm. Wait, let me tell you first, then you can do it. Because okay, so 9 volt is connected with the 4 ohm. Now you can see that these are connected in series, right? These are connected in series, so we need to convert it again into a current source. So if we'll convert it into the current source, the resistance would be in parallel and the voltage source is like this. Sorry, current source is like this. Okay, so the resistance is 4 ohm and the current would be 9 by 4, right? Now again see, there is no resistance over there here, so this resistance was removed. So these two currents are moved in the same direction, so we can simply add it. Okay, remove this current, so the final current would be 9 by 4 plus 1 ampere. Now you can see that this 4 ohm and 4 ohm is also connected in parallel, but there is no resistance in the above side or the below side, so it means the 4 ohm resistance is in parallel, so we can simply remove it. So we can simply solve it. 4 and 4 is in parallel, then answer would be 2 ohm, right? Now again simply we can see that current source is connected in parallel with the resistance, so we can simply convert it into the voltage source. After solving, we'll get it as 13 by 2 volt and the resistance is 2 ohm. Okay, now the 5 volt and 8 ohm. As I told you, we can't touch the 8 ohm because we have to calculate the current in 8 ohm only. Now you can see that these batteries are connected opposite, because positive is connected with the positive, so battery would be subtracted, right? So in this case the final answer is, that is 1.5 volt. We'll get it after solving it, and the resistance is 2 ohm and the final resistance is 8 ohm, right? Now simply we can apply current, Ohm's law, as we need to calculate current now. So according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. V is how much? Only 1.5 volt, and the resistance is how much? Only 2 plus 8. So after solving it, we'll get the current, that is 0.15 ampere. That is the value of current. Finally answer.